Hi Sakis, my name is Saloni and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to have a face-off of aesthetic summer dresses between Meesho and Myntra. I am so excited. I have almost 10 pieces to show you and everything is below 800 rupees. I have mini dresses, maxi dresses. कहाँ से शुरू करें? Should we start from Myntra or Meesho first? I think let's start from Meesho first. Links to all of these items will be there in the description below, so do check it out. I was so shocked when I looked at all the dresses that I got from Meesho. Feels like these dresses are straight from my Pinterest. Very first dress that I have to show you is one of my favorites from the entire haul. How pretty is this dress? सबसे पहले सस्ती बहुत है and you guys know me and how cheap I am. Okay, this doesn't sound right, but I am a sucker for anything affordable. Absolutely love this lace detail. So it has an off shoulder and it is mini in length. The material is so soft. It's perfect for this chalti jupti garmi. जलती चुपती गर्मी. I have a thing for fit and flare dresses. मुझे लगता है for someone with my body type, someone who has a heavier stomach, fit and flare dresses are the best option. How pretty it looks on me. I just love everything about it. तुम लोग तो बोलोगे नहीं, मुझे खुद की तारीफ खुद ही करनी पड़ती है. It can be styled in so many ways. If you're not comfortable with the off shoulder, you can always pull it up, or you can wear a shirt inside. I have so many ideas in which I can style it. अरे हाँ, उससे याद आया, if you want to see styling videos, you have to check out my Instagram. I post regular styling videos there. I also post fashion related videos on my shorts, so उसके लिए subscribe भी करना जरूरी है. इतनी बार मुझे तुम लोगों को याद दिलाना पड़ेगा. Next, I have another fit and flare dress, and this dress just surprised me. Any girl who loves print is going to love this dress. लिखवा के ले लो मेरे से. How pretty. जब ये मैंने खोला भी तब भी स्पीचलेस थी. अभी भी मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है मैं क्या बक रही हूँ. I just love everything about it. Cherries, bows, puppies. I never thought कि मैं ये सब चीजें एक सेंटेंस पे बोलने वाली हूँ, बट इस ड्रेस के अंदर ना सब कुछ है. Very stretchable. You can tie a bow in the front, and on the shoulders you have these straps, so you can tie it up like this, or you can crisscross it. And the material is so comfortable, so quirky कि हर इंसान जो ये ड्रेस देखेगा वो आके पूछने वाला है कि ये कहाँ से ली है. And of course you can style it in so many ways. You can layer it up. For example, if I wear the top that I'm wearing and I wear this dress, still it is going to look so pretty. The length is also perfect for me. Mini hai, but it is not micro mini. Next, I have a maxi dress for you, and summers and maxi dresses just go hand in hand. They are the perfect combination. And this dress, I cannot believe I found it on Meesho. I have seen so many people wearing this sort of a dress, similar print. तो मैंने जब ये Meesho पे देखा, मुझे लगा यार ये तो perfect opportunity है. I should definitely try it out. How pretty it is. ये एकदम हटके सी print है. Material is also very comfortable. I think it is not pure cotton, but it is very cotton adjacent. काफी breathable fabric है. And I feel it can be styled in so many ways. You can just wear it with a pair of chappals and you're good to go. Or if you want to go a more desi route, you can pair it up with jhumkis. And काफी ज्यादा तारीफ हो गई ना. अब लेट मी ड्रॉप सम ट्रूथ बॉम्ब्स. इसको पहनने में ना मेरे पसीने निकल गए. इट इज वे टू टाइट फॉर मी, बोथ फ्रॉम द बस्ट एरिया एज वेल एज हिप्स. आई थिंक आई गॉट इट इन एम. मुझे एल में लेना चाहिए था. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग दैट आई डिडंट लाइक अबाउट द ड्रेस इज द लेंथ. फॉर समबडी लाइक मी हु इज 5'7", आई जस्ट फील दिस लेंथ इज नॉट एट ऑल फ्लैटरिंग. ये ना मैक्सी नहीं है एंड इट इज नॉट इवन मिडी. इट इज लाइक somewhere in between. I'm just sad because I really like the print. Next, I have another maxi / midi dress for you. This dress screams Valentine's. I know Valentine's आने में अभी बहुत सारे महीने बचे, बट स्टिल अगर सस्ते में मिल रही है तो अभी से ले ही सकते हैं. How pretty. Really stretchable. Love the neck detail, and you have got these tie-up shoulders. So if you're not comfortable in wearing, अगर मेरी बात करूं, I didn't like the fit on me. I feel थोड़ा मुझे ना ये टाइट सा था, especially from the मिड पेट का रीजन। पार्ट 1 में मैंने तुम्हें जितनी भी बॉडीकॉन ड्रेसेस दिखाई थी, आई रियली लाइक्ड ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ देम, बट आई कैन नॉट से द सेम फॉर दिस ड्रेस। आई थिंक मीशो के तो इतने ही आइटम थे। नेक्स्ट लेट मी शो यू एवरीथिंग दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम मिंत्रा। व्हाट्स दैट वन प्रिंट जो सदियों से चलती आ रही है और आगे भी सदियों तक चलती रहेगी? इफ यू गेस पोल्का डॉट, मेरी तरफ से एक एक चॉकलेट खा लेना। लव दिस कॉर्सेट डिटेल ऑन द वेस्ट, halter neck also, you can basically wear it like this, and I know अभी ये थोड़ा एप्रन जैसा लग रहा है, but use your imagination. Material is also really nice, perfect for any kind of occasion. If you're going out for a lunch, brunch, picnic, या फिर you're just going out with your friends. My biggest problem with this dress, it does not fit me right. Chest से loose है, waist से loose है, and I got it in size M, which is my usual size. तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है what went wrong. Next, मौसम्बी looking dress. Orange is one of my favorite colors after pink and purple, and I feel orange looks really pretty on duskier skin tones. Basically, back mein you have this tie-up detail, very satiny. As a concept, I like the dress, but again, I don't like it on me. Fitting again बड़ी ही अजीब थी. It was really tight on me, especially from the hips. Just because of that, and maybe because of the material, I didn't like the dress. This next dress has been a part of my closet since a long time, and of course, I'm a print girly, so you can expect an overdose of print from my end. Absolutely love the way it fits on me. Never thought I would say this, but a bodycon mini dress actually looks flattering on me. I feel that's because of the fabric. The fabric is really stretchable. My only problem with this dress, the material is thick, तो इसमें गर्मी लगेगी. But as I said before, गर्मी वर्मी चलती है यार, fashion ज़्यादा जरूरी है. Next, I have a maxi dress for you. This dress, I'm obsessed over it. I love everything about it. And इससे पहले मैं और ज़्यादा बकबक करूँ, let me show you the dress. To my surprise, I really like the print as well. The color combination, it's too good, and it has this halter neck. You can basically tie it up like this. I feel it is a pretty modest dress. I think neck भी इसका ज़्यादा deep नहीं है. हाँ, पीछे से ये थोड़ी backless है, but यार उतना तो चलता है. ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे मेरे लिए बनी हुई है. अगर मुझे थोड़ी ऐसी गलती निकालनी है तो आई विल से मुझे ना ये थोड़ी सी मतलब इतनी सी लूज थी फ्रॉम द चेस्ट. माई फेवरेट ड्रेस would have to be that printed mini dress. Second, the red gingham dress. Third, the printed maxi dress. I cannot contain my excitement, but today's winner is Meesho. What about you? Which dress was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. Like this video, share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Only you can turn my dreams into reality. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. We will meet again really soon. Until then, यार मैं हमेशा भूल जाती हूँ पानी लेके बैठना, but पानी पीते रहो.